Camera ready?
Yes.
And why after that?
Why answer? This is a question which has roots, at least I have to trace back 10 years. So when in manufacturing we had a problem to design a cutter. So that is when I realized I didn't know what is the meaning of force, what is the meaning of energy. Though I had been a very good scorer in school and college, absolutely I didn't know the subject. That was the first beating, and I felt something has to be done for this, or at least I have to go and relearn. After a few years, like I happened to be part of a startup which we founded, and we had to write a security algorithm. And in the course of the journey, it involved some higher-end mathematics and multi-body dynamics, wherein mathematics were involved. And when I flipped the pages, I couldn't understand anything. So this is the second impact which I had. Like I had a degree, but I didn't know what it really meant. So this was the roots. Then at some point, I happened to make a decision that okay, I want to be a researcher. I have to get back to learning. Understand what is really there, and from there on I said okay, where to go. One is internet, second is doing the work and getting back to basics simultaneously seemed to be a very difficult task. So I made a decision to do a full-time master's in mechanical when I was around 40 years age, and I was lucky that I had enough family support to go and pursue a full-time residential master's degree program. So when I was attending the full-time program, lot of realization struggle, the quality of the textbooks, they were almost same as whatever we learned 20 years back, and then nothing was used in the industry. Second is the quality of trainers and teachers. It was not at all up to the expectations, because my imagination was I go to an educational institution, I can clarify doubts quickly, I can learn faster, then I can get into a research position. But what happened was really the academic situation is so stiff that we have to do run-of-the-mill 6 subjects, 2 labs. It was absolutely difficult to catch up. A person like me with passion for science, wanting to learn, it made the life very difficult to really learn and understand something within the stipulated time frame. So this is another thing. So from industry, I myself realized where I was vis-a-vis the existing science and engineering, and when I came to academic institutions, I found where they are. Then over a period of time after my masters, I had an opportunity to become a teacher myself. So as a teacher, the real education world opened up in front. In fact, the first statement I heard was, in an exam, I had a senior person advising the students, during the university exam, don't bother, write the question, leave space, and then just keep filling the pages. All you require is a pass. This is the level which I never expected. So these are some things which made me think, okay, this is not real education. Education is something else. Education is not about teaching or coaching, it's about learning. When a person has a purpose, he wants to do something, there should be an environment where the person should be able to go and learn what he doesn't know. Second, what he wants to learn. So it should be a facilitation environment rather than a very strict rigmarole where we go and sit through classes after classes, then internal tests and examinations. So this is not the way. So these are some things which fueled us to start up with Artrel Academy.